guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are joined by some little plant friends here because I am going to talk to you about my experience with the Sill. So a couple of weeks ago, I found this online company called the Sill, and their website is beautiful and like right up my alley design-wise, so it immediately caught my eye. And they sell and ship houseplants to anywhere in the US. So I got this little parlor palm and this itty bitty little rubber tree. And I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what my experience was like with them, because there were definitely some positives and some negatives. And hopefully this can help anybody who's thinking about buying from the Sill decide. So their website, as I mentioned before, is beautiful. It's very streamlined and very easy to use. I was super surprised at the prices of all of their plants because both of these guys were $8, which is like, you know when you go to Trader Joe's and outside, usually some stores it's inside, but they have the little like rack of like the house plants and like some of them are like $5 or $6. That was like this, but they had way more options. All of the like cool hipster plants that you see on Instagram were there. They had like air plants and monsteras and these guys. So I narrowed it down to these two, A, because I liked the way they looked, and B, after reading all of the bios that the Sill puts in their product descriptions. This was one of the things that I liked the most about the site. They gave little explanations of what region the plant is from, what it does, if it's pet friendly. So it was really cool to be able to sort through them that way. I have to say, while the plants were amazing prices, the pots that they sell are not. So while they are super cute, I didn't buy any pots from them because they were really expensive. Another thing that I really didn't like about them is that their free shipping only kicks in above like $100, I think. $75. Their free shipping doesn't kick in until $75. And I don't know about you guys, but I do not have $75 to spend on plants, so I did have to pay $7 for shipping, which was annoying because I don't like to pay for shipping like most millennials. Amazon's ruined us. So I placed the order and I got the verification email, and in the verification email it said that they were delaying plants up to a week because of unprecedented cold in the US, which Texas is like a block of ice right now, so I've heard. I don't know what's happening with that, but I was understanding of that. I was like, okay, I want my plants to arrive healthy. I can be patient. It's not Amazon where it's like 2 days later. But then like almost 2 weeks went by and I hadn't received a tracking number. So I went onto their website and I chatted with them. And this was my biggest problem with my experience, is their live chat system sucked. They weren't actually like a live chat. It was almost like when you Facebook message a business and it says like typically replies back in a few hours. So I messaged them the first time. I didn't hear anything back, and then messaged the second time a couple of days later, and a couple hours after I had sent the initial message saying, hey, I ordered my plants like 2 weeks ago, I haven't gotten a tracking number, can I get an update? Somebody got back to me, and basically they said, your plants are shipping out today, here's the tracking number, sorry for the delay. So I was like, okay, I mean, that's kind of sucky that they took so long, but I have the tracking number now, it's second day air, so they're gonna get here quick, that's fine. But then when I closed out of the chat to go and check the tracking number and then tried to get back into the chat to say thank you and let them know that it was working, I saw other people's chat histories. So I had like 5 different people that like I could click on like which message to choose, and this is not how their site is supposed to work. I've since learned that it has been a bug that they're experiencing, but I could like go in and read other people's chats if I wanted to. So don't send them like your address or anything, any like payment information, because other people can access it, which seemed really sketchy to me. So after that I was kind of like, oh, what did I get myself into? So the package arrived yesterday, and this is what it looked like. It just says plants make people happy. So I thought that was really cute. And I opened it up, and basically the way that the plants are wrapped is the plant is wrapped in paper with like hand warmers around the dirt. They obviously weren't warm by the time they got to us, but probably kept it warm through the first part of its transport. And then over that there was bubble wrap, and then all around it were like these little packaging things. The plants arrived very healthy. There's no like blemishes on them that I can see. They're healthy, they seem well watered, and then they have this stuff around the bottom, and you take this off before you water them, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. The first thing that I was really surprised with is how small they are. It does say on their website that they come in 4-inch by 4-inch pots, at least the 2 that I got. So kind of my bad for not reading, but based on the pictures of the website, the pictures, they're shown without the pots and just the root ball. So for reference, this is the basket that I got because I thought this would be the size of the plant. And clearly, I mean, I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller than this so that I could like, you know, have some room inside, but this is just like comical. I'll probably just repot this in a bigger little plastic pot and then put it in here. I think the plants are super cute. I love that I know like what they do. This one improves the air quality, so I'm gonna put it by my bed so I get those benefits while I sleep. And then I've just always wanted a rubber tree, and this one is really small, but he's gonna grow. It's just like my fiddle leaf fig. I bought a fiddle leaf fig, but it's only like 2 feet tall, and I'm just gonna raise it until it's a nice big fiddle leaf tree. So although the order process was buggy and the plants aren't as large as I'd like them to be, I think I'd give the Sill like a 3 out of 5 because their selection is so great, and you could really go onto their website without knowing anything about plants and be able to pick out some really cool ones that fit with your lifestyle and your needs. I would probably order from the Sill again. There was a Monstera that I really want one, but it was sold out when I placed my order, and it's back now. It's like $19, but they're so cool looking, so I might go back and buy that. The only issue with their website is that a lot of their stuff is sold out, so they must be a pretty small company that has like pretty low stock because things are always fluctuating in and out of stock, I've noticed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Sill. If you have any other questions about my order experience or the plants that I got, please leave them down below, and I promise you I will 100% answer every single question. If you guys have any other places that you go to buy plants online, please let me know because I am a little bit plant crazy right now. Like, I'm just buying plants for all over our apartment. So I'm definitely looking for new places and new plants to get. So if you have a favorite plant that's in your house, such a weird question to ask, but if you have a favorite plant, let me know down below so that I can check it out and maybe go buy one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that button and click the notification bell that is next to it because I post new videos about cruelty-free beauty and eco-sustainable lifestyle that's affordable every Monday and Friday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you guys all with my next video. Bye!